How to choose a reliable budget carpet cleaning service? If you want to hire a company that offers budget carpet cleaning service in Melbourne, you will need to look for a few things first. These are basically the quality of the services that a company provides and the reputation that it has. Other than these, you should look for 1. The expertise of the carpet cleaners. 2. The time taken by the cleaners to make the carpet fully clean. 3. Customer friendliness and assistance by the company. 4. Punctuality. If you are looking for these qualities, Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne is the company that can meet your needs. We are awards as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us https://bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com/